Thank you so much, Kuya Chris. It's so very beautiful.
Hey, that's not the end. Have a look inside. Have a look inside. Yeah, look at all the decorations. Look.
Wow.
Okay, we're outside the house of Mellissa. Now, well, not a lot, but there's one or two guys that come on my live, seen Mellissa. And this is the house where she lives.
He's cousin of Mellissa.
That's her cousin, look, he doesn't like to be on camera, he's a shy boy. That's their crazy dog. This is where they live. Her and her son. I know it's probably not clear on the GoPro, but these are all holes. It's not been skimmed or anything. You can see that there's bits of the window missing. So what I want to do with Ralph is just give it a makeover, because they've never had a Christmas where they've had her and the son where they've had Christmas lights and decorations. So hopefully when it's finished, I mean, there's not enough time to skim it. I'd have rather had it skimmed then paint it. So we're just gonna paint it white, and then we're gonna paint it cream, and if there's any paint left for the outside, we'll paint the outside as well. So all this has to come out so we can paint it, and then I give her that table, so that's going to go here, and this is going to go there, and they're going to get some cloth, I think, for this table. It's gonna look a lot better than it is now, put it that way. So we'll see in a mile. Just give you a quick look round again. And this is my friend Ralph. So we'll see what it looks like in a bit, guys. See you in a moment. So we'll see her reaction, guys, when she comes home, because she's not expecting anything. Because like I say, every Christmas the kid doesn't get any presents, they just have a little bit of special food, maybe pizza and what have you, but nothing special. And that goes for most of the kids around here, really, because at the back it's the very, very poor people. You could say that about Mellissa, I guess, because she works at SM and they don't pay a lot. Right, I've given Ralph some like a beige magnolia kind of paint, but what we're going to do first is put white on the wall, so we don't have to use, I don't think there's enough magnolia to do more than one coat, if there's enough even for one coat, to be honest. So we're putting white on, so hopefully it'll just be okay with one coat, same as the outside. So while Ralph does the roller, I'm going to fill the holes in. So we're just going to water it down a bit, hopefully not too much. Well, the white paint's not going on as well, but I knew that before I started, because all these holes, I'm hoping that the brown's going to cover it. Obviously the roller's not going to cover it, I've got to go in with the brush. But if you watered the paint down, said don't water it down, make sure you can see me on it. Told him not to water it down, but he was advised to do it, and it's taking a bit longer. It's too watery.
So that our paint was,
well, it lasts, but then you've got to put more on to cover it, so it's defeating the object, really.
we have one left. Hopefully
it's not gonna be enough.
It's enough. We'll see.
We went and got another litre, but it wasn't enough. It could do with just a little bit more attention, but it just needs more paint, and that's more outlay, etc. We bought some new flooring, so all this is coming up. Brand new flooring coming down, being put down. Sorry. We've got a tablecloth to cover the table that's not so good. We've got Christmas lights. She's going to be really, I mean, she was so happy when she saw that we painted in here. Really, really happy. And I guess a lot of the imperfections won't be so noticeable once the furniture's back in. What I'd like to do is get some cement and shut all this off, because there's mice and rats walking along here. It's not good when there's a kid here and stuff, but you know, we can do that at some other point, as long as it's dry and it doesn't run down the walls. We should have done that before we painted, but there was nobody available, still isn't. So we're going to paint the door brown, and then the grill brown as well. So that's the next thing, because we've got like an inch of paint left. That's not going to go that far. It's took ages to do, guys, ages. But it's going to be worth it in the end, because it's going to be nice, and she's going to be very, very happy. Very happy. Right, guys, Mellissa is on her way home. I know that because I've checked, and she knows nothing about this. Right, she's not expecting anything. She's not expecting the paint. She's not expecting anything. I provided the paint, I bought the lights, I bought the decorations. She's never had anything like this, her and her son, okay? They live here on their own. So look at this. Now, there's a computer because I provided it, but the motherboard was broken. And Ralph, my friend, took the motherboard and got it repaired. Now she's got a computer again. I've given her a brand new monitor. Everything you see here is me. I've given her all the decorations, the paint, this, a new light. This was a mess here, and I bought her this to put her plates in and stuff. But look at this, guys. Look at these. Do you know how old these are? These are over 100 years old, and there's not any damage. That is just insane.
Hey, Kuya Chris.
Mellissa.
Yes.
What?
What are you doing?
What am I doing? I'm waiting for you.
Why?
Because
Why?
wait.
Why?
I've got a surprise. If I could do something for you and your son for Christmas, what would you like?
Oh, you have done anything na, Kuya Chris? You just paint my house na.
Yeah, I
And then
know, but apart from that, what would make you excited?
Oh.
What have you not had before that you'd love to have now for Christmas? That's in September.
It's Christmas season, so I want a Christmas decoration like that.
Like that? You've not had this before.
Yeah, because I'm so busy.
Oh, right. Well, let's have a look then. What you got? Let's.
Oh my God, Kuya Chris! Oh my God, Kuya Chris! Thank you so much, Kuya Chris! It's so very
Hey,
beautiful.
that's not the end. Have a look inside. Have a look inside.
Kuya Chris! It's so beautiful!
Yeah, look at all the decorations. Look.
Wow! baby!
Oi. The computer works.
Wow!
It works.
Did you work it, Kuya Chris?
Yes, it works. Ralph got the motherboard fixed because it was dead.
Oh my god, thank you so much!
Yeah.
It's so beautiful, Kuya Chris. You make me cry.
Oh, you're gonna have the bestest beautiful Christmas.
Yeah, I like it so much.
Oh, there you go.
I like it so much, very much. It's so beautiful.
So were you expecting this?
No, you've done so much na, Kuya.
Well, Ralph helped as well.
Oh, thank you so much,
But
Rob.
look at this. Look at it.
So beautiful.
The only thing we couldn't replace was the cellar set.
It's too much na, Kuya Chris.
It's okay. It's no big
Very
deal.
beautiful.
As long as you're happy.
Yeah, I'm very happy.
Where's your son? Is he happy?
Yeah,
Your son.
I know.
Your son's already seen it.
Oh, okay. So beautiful, Kuya Chris. Thank you so much.
Thank you to my subscribers
Thank you to the
And-
subscribers.
and a
of
Merry
Kuya.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas to all.
And please subscribe, guys, if you've not. Please support our channel if you can. If you can't, it doesn't matter. And we'll see you in the new year. Have a wonderful Christmas and a beautiful Happy New Year. See you guys. Bye bye.
Oh, very beautiful.
Thanks to the following members and Patreons for their amazing support: Aaron, Gladio Atlantian, Dr. Philippines, Slacker, Ninth House Aries, John Donachi, Zark Alfrey, Kingsley, Dazlox, Michael Hildebrand, Killer Grub with Mark Bagley, Romeo Roma Santa, Nathan Massengill, Emmanuel Sen Pascual, Darther Gregory, M. Kitchen Baker, Steve Dornbos, Paulo Svensson, Jim Alvair, Scott Slavin, The Professor, Didas Jornales, Wade, Dumaget, Anthony Neal, Michael McFarland, George Andrews, Mira D, Simon Kennedy, Kennedy Supergirls, Simply Monks, Rick's Destination Cebu, Brian Dawson, Albar Jitch, Stephen Baxter, Ed from Queens, A Brit's Philippines Destination, Brett Glazo. Big thanks to all of you.